this video, I'll be sharing the recipe of delicious steamed prawns in a very nice mustard gravy. This recipe is one of my favorites because it can be made in just 15 to 20 minutes and the ingredients are so less that it's readily available in everybody's home. Do try this recipe with steamed rice, you will love the flavor. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, to subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. Let's begin with this awesome recipe of steamed prawns. For this I have taken here 1.5 tablespoon of black mustard. This is normally more pungent than the yellow mustard I am going to take. 2 tablespoon of yellow mustard I have taken, and I need to grind them dry to make a very fine powder. Applying this trick ensures that the paste is very smooth and even. So next time when you're gonna to make mustard paste, do apply this trick. First dry grind them and then you can add water to grind them regularly. So to this I'll add few ingredients: fresh raw coconut 40 to 50 grams, some green chili, sugar half teaspoon and turmeric powder half teaspoon, and water half a cup goes in, and all this to be grinded to a nice fine paste. Before that, in a bowl I have taken fresh curd half cup. I'll nicely beat it so that it is nicely smoothened. So after beating this curd, you can see the texture has changed, it's completely smooth, and to this goes the mustard paste that we had prepared. Now it's time to mix. I have added some salt and I'll mix it. In this recipe, no extra water is added. This is the base of the gravy, steamed gravy that we're going to make. So nicely I'll mix, adjust salt at this stage after tasting, and then to this goes fresh river water prawns. These are nicely washed and deveined. You can see I have nicely deveined it and removed the extra shell from the head portion and left out the shell from the bottom portion with the tail. This gives a very nice look. So this goes in. I had taken around 500 grams. Prawns goes into this beautiful base we have prepared, and to this I'll first mix it, this mustard base and the prawns, and after mixing for 1 to 2 minutes that this prawns are nicely coated with this mustard base, the creamy base of mustard and the dahi or yogurt. So this I have mixed, and to this I'll be adding the star flavor of this recipe, that's mustard oil. 2 tablespoons goes here. After adding 2 tablespoons raw mustard oil, mix this prawns again and marinate in this prawns in this nice base for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of marination, I'll transfer this prawns to this pressure cooker. Yes, we are gonna to prepare the steamed prawns in a pressure cooker. So this goes in the pressure cooker. Make sure you add all the gravy, and after adding the prawns, 2 more tablespoons of mustard oil goes in, and green chilies 2 more I have slitted it, this goes in. Now cover the lid and cook it on medium flame for just 1 whistle. That's it, on medium flame 1 whistle, and after the pressure is released, I'll just open this and let me show you the result. Nicely the oil is separated and these prawns are done. As because we had done it on medium flame, they will be super soft and this curry will taste heavenly. I have served these delicious steamed prawns in the beautiful mustard gravy. The pungency of this dish will be reduced drastically by using coconut, fresh coconut. You can also use scraped coconut as per your wish, and this dish is ready to be savored. Goes very well with steamed rice. I just love it, and the best part is that just 10 minutes of marination and 1 whistle on medium flame and this would be ready. No additional water is to be used in this dish, and this beautiful dish is ready to be savored. Now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Sangeeta Gangopadhyay. She writes, I am from West Bengal. Love these recipes. I must try. Thank you, Sangeeta. Actually, this is one of the Bengali recipes and I have just modified it according to my cooking style. Especially, they cook steam it in a nice sealed tiffin box, but I have done directly in the pressure cooker, and I hope, Sangeeta, you will like this recipe. Thank you for your beautiful comment and lovely words. Stay safe and stay connected. So next time when you want to try something new and exciting with your prawns, try this recipe. You will love the flavors. You can also follow Su's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. And if you have liked today's video, do give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next recipe. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.